Hello, friends. If you are also facing the verify purchases with fingerprint or face problem while downloading an application from the Google Play Store, then let me show you how you fix it in today's video. Here, you can click on Use Password and solve this problem by entering your password. But if that is not working, then I will go back from here and open the settings of my mobile phone. After opening the settings, I will scroll down and click on Passwords and Security. Then I will click on Fingerprint Unlock and set up my fingerprint lock from there. It's very easy. Just click on Add Fingerprint and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Your fingerprint lock will be set within a few seconds. If you have already set up your fingerprint lock earlier, then no problem. You just have to do the last step that I am about to explain. Now, open the Play Store again. After opening it, click on I agree and place your finger on the sensor. And there you go, it's verified and also saved in the settings. So in this way, you can fix this problem on your Play Store. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next interesting video.